Good morning, students. Welcome to the physics class. In the last video, we discussed about some numericals. We discussed some numerical problems based upon the Coulomb's law. In today's lecture, we will study force between multiple charges, or we can say the principle of superposition. Now suppose there are number of charges like q1, q2, q3, q4 like this, and they all are applying force on q1. Suppose they are all are applying force on a charge number 1. Then how we can calculate the value of this total force which is being applied on charge number 1 by all the other charges? So in this we take help of principle of superposition. According to this, if there are number of charges are applying force on one charge, so we can calculate the total force by just summing up all the forces which are applied by the other charges. For example, to calculate here the force on q1, we have to add all the forces, that is force applied by charge 2 on 1 plus force applied by charge 3 on 1 plus force applied by charge 5, 4 like this. We have to add all the forces and this will give us total force. So this is basically the principle of superposition. The statement of principle of superposition is that when a number of charges are interacting, the total force on a given charge is the vector sum of forces exerted on it due to all other charges. So here we can calculate the total charge by just summing up all the forces applied by the charges. Now here, as shown in the diagram, there is a charge number q1. This is the q1 and this is q2 and this is the q3. Now here, as shown in the diagram, force is applied on the charge q1 by charge q2 as well as by the q3. So if we see from the diagram, the force applied by charge number 1 by charge number 2 is F12. Similarly, we have F13. So how we can find out the resultant of both the forces which are being applied on the charge number q1? So we can do this by just summing up the forces. That is, if we add F12 and F13, then we can calculate the total force, that is F1. So here, as we see in the here, if you see, this is the formula which we apply for calculating the total force, and this is also called the principle of superposition. Now we can calculate this by applying the force formula. As we know that we have done the vector form of Coulomb's law. So according to this, the force can be calculated by this formula, that is if we want to calculate the force in between the charges q1 q2 which are at a distance of r12. Here r12 is the distance between charges q1 and q2. So this is the force, and the formula of force is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon my r12 square, and this is the unit vector. So we know that the distance r12 we can calculate from the diagram. If you see the diagram, see, this is the r2, this is the r1, okay, this is r2, this is r1, then this is the distance between two charges, means this is the r12. So how we can calculate the r12? R12 will be equal to, according to vectors,